And I call a member for Richmond.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. And I'm very pleased to rise today to speak about the Veterans and Families Hub in my electorate of Richmond. And what's really exciting is that the hub is having its official opening very soon. Now, Deputy Speaker, delivering this hub was one of my key election commitments from the 2022 election, and locals know they can always count on me to deliver for them. And this is a project that I really wanted to see in my region, as it's so vital that we provide support to veterans and their families, and delivering that important support for those who served our nation has always been an absolute commitment of mine and indeed of this government. Now, the Albanese Labor government has invested more than $5 million to deliver the Veterans and Families Hub in Tweed Heads, and the government throughout this process worked in close partnership with RSL Life Care Veterans Services and RSL New South Wales, and indeed all of our local RSLs as well. In terms of the design and consultation, initially there was a $50,000 grant from the government to RSL Life Care Veterans Services to begin a business case for the Veterans and Families Hub in the Tweed. And of course, locally we had extensive consultation with RSLs throughout the New South Wales North Coast, and indeed some of those from over the border in southeast Queensland. And I want to thank all of those that attended and contributed. Their insights were valuable. I also want to thank the Minister for Veterans Affairs for attending one of those consultations in Tweed Heads and listening firsthand to local veterans. And also thank the Minister for visiting again when it was announced that RSL Life Care was a successful tenderer for the project. The business case outlined the operational and management plans for the new hub, tailored to the precise needs of our local veteran community. Having veteran support and services accessible locally is so important in improving the health, well-being and economic outcomes of those who bravely served our nation. We are incredibly fortunate in my area to have a very large ex-service population with more than 20,000 veterans and their families, including many older veterans and war widows as well. And Deputy Speaker, once the actual location was determined to be at 145 Wharf Street, Tweed Heads, soon after a temporary hub was opened, whilst the final renovations and improvements were underway for the hub. We're all very much looking forward to the opening soon, and it will be a great event. And I understand also that the RSL Life Care and the Hub are also planning a free community open day, and I encourage locals to come along and see firsthand the services that are being provided to our local veterans. And I'm very much looking forward to seeing the final renovations that they've done. They've just put in so much time and commitment to just get this hub right to provide those services. And this project is one that I'm very proud of. As I said, I've committed to delivering this, and I've promised, committed and delivered the Tweed Heads Veterans and Families Hub.
Thank the member.